Claude is absolutely blowing up right now and you want to jump on this right now. In this free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with Claude online right now. I'm going to prove to you exactly how simple this is to actually do and implement. I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. We're not going to miss any steps in this tutorial. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. And more importantly, guys, this specific method is making this many sales per day and per month. That's actually insane. So over 380 sales per day, that's at the lowest, nearly 26,000 per month at the highest. That's insane. All right, guys, there is a huge trend right now, and that is the Claude AI bot. If you're looking to make money online, this is the way to do it right now, is to make money with Claude. I've been working online for over 10 years, and I've never seen a Google trend do this. It's insane. It went from around about 30 to over 100, well, to 100 to the maximum extremely quickly. This is the trend right now. This is where you want to make money right now. You want to make money with the Claude AI bot because this is the trend, and that's when people make a lot of money online, is when they are following trends. Just like I made a lot of money on the e-commerce trend when that was popping off back in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is going to be the way moving forward to make money online using Claude. All right, guys, so before we start this, I want to just go through a quick checklist. The first thing is we want to be able to use AI for this method. So we're going to be using the Claude bot for this specific method. This method must be simple to do and not complicated. Now, one of the things is you're here to make money online with Claude. You don't want something that's going to take months or even years to start making money. What we want to do is we want something that's simple to do, not complicated, so we can reinvest the money that we make into making more money with Claude or doing something a bit more complicated later on or a bit more technical, okay? And what I'm going to do in this video is show you the tools to use. And that's really it. So we're going to use AI. It's going to be simple to do, not complicated. We're going to reinvest the money. Well, essentially, what I'm trying to do is show you a very quick and easy method to make money with Claude. And then you can use that money that you make to then reinvest into a more advanced method to make money with the Claude AI tool. And I'm going to show you the exact tools that you need for this particular method. So that's what we're going to do right now, is show you the exact tools that you need. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you two tools that we're going to be using. One of them is called bookbeam.io, and the next one is called bookbolt.io. I'm logged in here so we can actually see right here the specific tool. So you want to go and get both of these tools. This one, we're going to be using the free resources, and this one has a free trial that you can use if you want to use it. You don't actually have to use this, but this is what I'm going to be using in this tutorial. So what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is if we go to Amazon.com and we put in puzzle books right here, we have puzzle books for adults, puzzle books for seniors, etc. We can see that there are these puzzle books down here. Now, these are extremely popular and they make a lot of income online. For example, if we go to this murder mystery one or murder mystery one, we can actually put this into this free tool. So if you go to resources and then you go to book sales calculator and you go down and you find what is called the ranking ID. So we go to the bestsellers rank ID. So it would be 33. We put that into here. We go Amazon.com and you can see that that particular book is making up to, is selling up to 800 copies per day. That's not income, that's 800 copies. So if we take the price of this, which is around about $12, okay, times that by 800. These guys are making bank right now. They are making an insane amount of income online. Not only that, they have around about 6,000 reviews, which is crazy because only a small portion of people actually review products. Now, another one that we can actually go to right here is the sports one. This is extremely popular as well. And I'm going to show you how to make money with two examples in this tutorial. And if you actually look here, they've used AI to actually make this. This is all AI right here. So this description was made with AI, and I wouldn't be surprised if this book was made with AI. Now, one of the great things about Amazon is if we go to puzzle books in Google, so we're not only getting traffic from Amazon, we're getting traffic from Google, because if we put in puzzle books in Google, what Amazon actually does is they run sponsored products posts in Google because they want to be at the top. So all of these are ads that Amazon is running on Google, and you could potentially get your book shown here as well. So there's that one right there. So there's that one that I just showed you. This is it right here. It's showing up in Google Ads as well. All right, so how do we actually go ahead and do this? First off, we need to start with the basics. We need an idea, okay? So this is a pretty basic idea, 500 word search puzzle book. But what I'm going to do is I've done two, so right here, I've done two prompts that I've used, okay? So this one right here is a prompt that I've just used. It's very detailed. You don't really need to do this detail, but I'm just doing this as an example. And this is for the this one here. So I don't really know too much about these, but it's like this weird thing that you do inside here to, like, I don't know. I don't really know too much about these, but I know that these sell, right? And this is what they are. You got to solve some sort of mystery, right? So that's what this book is about, solving some sort of mystery. See, look here, and it's only a few pages usually. Here and here and here, and all of this can be made with AI. So what I did with this one is I went to Claude and I put in this prompt right here, and I asked it to give me a word page. Now you can actually go ahead and change all of this. You can take a screenshot, put it into an AI and get it to rewrite it. But if we look here, what Claude's done is I told it what to do, and it's giving me a book that I can sell right now. And it's just a 3-page book, but you can tell it to do like a 10-page book, a 20-page book. But I just did a very basic one as an example for this video. And it's giving me a book that I could potentially use right here. Super easy, okay? And then what it does is it takes it through and it gives you everything, and you can download the book and everything's ready to go. But also what I did is I did this sports one as well, and I used this very detailed prompt as well. And we have the book right here. And what it's done is it's given me a cover. It's given me all the details that I need to do, and it's given me the puzzles here that I can start. All I need to do is go download down here, and I can download this book and I can start selling it. But what I want to do is I want to do a fresh one right now. So let's go to Amazon right here, Google, and I'm going to do a 500 puzzles word search. So we're just going to go ahead and basically replicate this right here. So I'm going to take a photo of this. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to go back to Claude. And there's so many you can do, guys. It's kind of crazy. And like I said, if we click on this, you can actually put this into, you can go down, find that specific code, wherever it is, and you can put that into here and you can get the sales numbers. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload that photo just to give it an idea. And what I wanna do is I wanna do a basic prompt, not a technical, crazy prompt like these, because sometimes the easiest and the best products that come back are the simplest prompts. So I'm going to say something like this. Now, what I've said is I'm going to sell a puzzle book on Amazon, create a word search similar to the image I uploaded, and make it 10 pages. So it will be 10 puzzles, 1 puzzle per page. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let that do its thing, and we'll see what it comes back with. But keep in mind, guys, you're going to have to just keep doing it until you get something that's really, really looks good, easy to read, easy to understand. But more importantly is it doesn't need to be that crazy when it comes to the to detail and stuff, because there's so many people uploading these books all the time, every day. Look at all of these books. Yours are going to show up in the popular titles if you have more of them. Customers who viewed this item also viewed these particular items. So it doesn't, you can just put books up, and you're going to essentially start getting sales because they get recommended as well. It's absolutely insane, all of the stuff that you can do here. So we click on this one, for example. It's all here. It tells you how many pages it has. So it's got 100 puzzles, 118 pages, etc. So you essentially go and tell Claude to give you a 100-page puzzle book with these word fill-ins. It's that easy. It's not that difficult to do. And Claude will do that for you. So you're essentially using Claude AI to make money online with Claude. Now, this thing has essentially done its thing, so I don't know what it's going to turn out like. It might not be the best. You might have to kind of change. Yes, this is not the best because you have to change a few things around. But if we go down, Well, just the cover page doesn't look that great. But if we go down, we have the puzzles right here. We have the other puzzles. So theme, fruits, theme, countries, theme, sports, theme, ocean life. We have 10 pages. We actually have 11 pages. No, we have 10 because one is the cover. Okay. But we have 10 pages of puzzles right here. So how do we actually go and upload these to Amazon to make money with Claude? So there's a couple of things you can do here. You can go straight to Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can get this published, right? You download all of this and you get it published. But what I like to do is use BookBolt, and we can actually create a cover and interior. And we're going to go, we can use an AI story generator, etc. We're going to say the name test, and we'll just do standard for now, and we'll do 11 pages, okay? Create project. Okay, so now what we have here is we can go ahead and create the book, okay? So this tutorial can go away here. This is going to be our back and our front, okay? So that's the cover. And then we can go ahead and add our pages. So what I can do is I can add the page. I'm just going to take a screenshot. Now, keep in mind, this is just a tutorial. So basically, you would mess around, get the right fitting and stuff like that. But if I take this image, we'll see if it's going to fit here. All right, so it's actually not going to fit, but you could get it resized. It's just a tutorial here. Actually, I wonder if we can stretch it this way. Let me just have a look here. Yep, there we go. We can just do it that way. That works fine. And there we go. So we've gone ahead and we've added in the first page. So you would go ahead and do that for all of your pages. So every single page, just take a screenshot and put it over. Any empty pages you can just leave empty. And then you can do a custom cover. So this is the back and this is the front. It says front cover and then back cover. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can use AI to create those as well. All right, so once you've done that, you just want to go to download and you want to download the book. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Amazon Kindle, and I'm logged in, and I want to go to create new titles or series. And I'm going to just go ahead and upload this. We're going to do a Kindle book right here. And what's important here is the keywords, okay? So what you want to do is you want to do a specific book title. Now, what I would recommend you do is just find the winners and basically replicate those. So we can go back to this one, and you'll see that these titles are really keyword rich, right? So 500 word, so search puzzle book is a key. So here we go. Search puzzle book for adults is going to be the main keyword. And then puzzle book for adults is a keyword. Seniors is a keyword, okay? So what we can do is we can basically copy this and we can kind of do our own little version of this. So we're going to go puzzle book for adults. We'll say with puzzles for seniors. So just something simple like that. You want to change it around. You don't want it to be exactly the same. So we'll take out adults there because it's already got adults. So puzzle book for adults, big puzzle book with puzzles for seniors and all other puzzle fans. And then you can do a subtitle, etc. And you go down and you put in your author name and your last name, and then you do a description. You can use Claude to write the description for you, because this is what these guys have been doing. If we go here, this is a very basic description here. Like, you don't even need to use Claude. You can just do something like that. But if we look at this here, these guys have used AI to do this one. And then if we go back to that other one that I showed you, the sports one, they have used AI as well to do theirs. Okay? You can tell by these little hyphens here. This is all AI. So once you do that, you go, I own the rights, and then you simply choose your keywords. So your keywords are going to be things like puzzle book. So if we go puzzle book, book, the keywords that we're going to be using, it should show up here. We want to do like, we'll do puzzle book. So we want to do puzzle book for adults, puzzle book for seniors, puzzle book, and then puzzle book simple or something like that. Like you want to go ahead and get some keywords. Now what you can use is you can also use BookBolt. BookBolt will actually let you do some keyword research as well. So if you go keyword search and we put in puzzle book. So if we go ahead and put in puzzle books and we go search, it should give us some sort of search volume that we can use for our thing. But these are just the most generic, the main ones here. But if we go down to here, it's going to give us the top results. So it actually gives us the top products as well that are making money. So this one here, it says basically its average price, et cetera, et cetera. So you can use this for keyword for research as well if you want to, but I just like to use Amazon like I've showed you in this video. But more importantly is, I think I just used the wrong one there. We can go keyword search. We can put in our keyword here, and it should give us the volume. Yep. So puzzle books is getting 22,000 searches. So puzzle book, so this is what it gives us. The puzzle book search volume is 81,000, and then Google search is 22. And then Deadhead puzzle books, pretty puzzle books, puzzle adventure books. It gives you all of the keyword research here. And it gives you all of the searches here as well. Okay? And that's all you need to do. Use these tools to research, use Claude to make a book, upload the book to Kindle. I'm not going to publish this, but upload this and go save and continue and publish this to Amazon. And you can make money online with Claude.